Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to create folders and organize different things using Google Drive. So when you open up Google Drive, if you have the new version, it's going to look something like this. And if you click on settings up here, you have the ability to go in and change how it looks overall, just in terms of how dense and how compacted things are. So if you were to click on settings, then settings again, the density, you can mix up which one you would like to use. You can also add in something called make relevant files handy with quick access. And so what that will do is it shows your most popular files, the ones you're in a lot, will just show up right at the top. And there's lots of different things you can do with this one. But what I want to show you right now is how to quickly add and organize the different folders and files on Google Drive. Now, if you see here, I have quite the little row of files, folders for my different items that I have. And what you do in order to create a new file is you simply go to New, and then you click Folder. And then it gives you an option to name your new folder. So what I'm going to call this is I'm going to call this Parent Communication. Create. Now I have a new folder here. Within this folder, I can go in then and add new details with it. I can change up how it looks. So what I did here was just a right click or a double click. And I'm going to go down to change color. And parent communication, I want that to be happy and perky. So I'm going to make this kind of fuchsia color here. That way it catches my eye a little bit faster and I can see what I need to do for this one. So then if I would like to create a new document to put in this folder, I have a couple new options. I can right click or double click on here and be able to create a new one this way. It's not working for me right now, but usually it does. You can go to New and create a Google Doc on this drive. Or what I like to do once I know which folder I want it to go in, I can simply open up the folder and then create a new doc from there. All right, so I'm going to add a Google Doc. And when I have this open up, I'm just going to call it Parent Communication. Okay, and then I can work through and add in whatever it is I want to do for this one. Another thing I want to show you on your drive is you have the option of looking at this in different formats. Right now I have it where I can see it by folder. I can go over here to List View, and it will list out the folders this way. And so some of you might prefer to see this. This might be similar to another format that you've used on a different program. I like being able to see my different folders. It just depends on what you would prefer to do. Hopefully this gets you set up with folder organization. I do want to show you a little bit more on the menus over on the left side. So you have your New, where you can go to create just about anything you'd like. If you click more, then it offers even more elements of things you can do. You have team drives that could show up. And this is nice. These team drives are nice because then you can just share all the documents automatically with whoever has access to those team drives. You have your shared with me, which if anyone shares something with you, you can find it in here. Your recent, things you've recently opened. Starred would be whatever you star for most important to be able to find quickly. And then of course your trash. So I hope this helps you get started. Come back next time to hear some more about Drive and Google Docs.